World-famous fruit by world-famous families. My name is Oscar Guzman, and coming together to help people is what's most important to me. At the end of the day, I think my philosophy in life is to serve people. One day, I met Ismael, who worked for Stemilt. When he mentioned Stemilt, it took me back to growing up in Honduras. In my country, apples are only eaten during Christmas, and I remember the first one ever ate was a Stemilt apple. It made me feel so blessed. Now, it feels good to be able to share that same fruit with my country along my wife, Rocio. She's a helper at heart and find purpose in supporting the drivers who deliver fruit across the world. Working cherries also helped my son David get a scholarship and understand to respect people who work in agriculture. We can be part of producing world-famous fruit. We can bring joy back to people.